Hello dear student, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's start with the second part of the past indefinite tense. In my previous video, I was telling you that what is the past indefinite tense, how we can express our action in this tense, what are the formulas. So dear student, before talking about the usage today, let's refresh your mind. What is the past indefinite tense? Past indefinite tense represents an action occurred in the past or a habit of the past and uses the past form of the verb, right? This tense indicates that the action described in a sentence has happened before and is not a current happening. Let me tell you in a simple and in a single line that हिंदी के जिस वाक्य के अंत में किया था, right, आता हो, उसे past indefinite tense कहते हैं. How can you recognize? It follows the second form of the verb in any subject with any, every subject, whether it is singular or plural in number. So what will be the formula? Subject plus second form of the verb, right, plus object. आपका सब्जेक्ट किसी भी तरह का सिंगुलर है, प्लूरल है, उसके साथ सेकंड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब ही लगेगी. लाइक गांधी जी died in 1948. He did her work. I met him yesterday. Right? You can see that with every subject, second form of the verbs are being used. Like spoke, came, completed, bought, sang, died, did, right, met, etc. And in negative statement, subject plus did plus not plus first form of the verb. Why did and why first form of the verb? For this purpose, you have to watch my first video on past indefinite tense. Alright? See, let me make it clear to you. Whenever there is a use of did in negative and interrogative or interrogative negative sentences of the past indefinite tense, you have to write only one past form of the verb. You cannot write two past form of the verb. You cannot take did and the second form of the verb in the sentence. You have to choose one. Not choose only here. Actually, आपको did के साथ first form of the verb ही use करनी पड़ेगी, whether it is negative, right, or interrogative sentence of the past indefinite tense. See, there are some examples. I did not apply for leave, right? Did not apply. Apply is the first form of the verb here. And she did not come school yesterday. School is the again here. You can see these examples like the sleep, go, maintain, rain, etc. are there. Okay, which let us know that how we can use only first form of the verb when we are using did, okay, as a helping verb in the sentence. Now, interrogative sentences. Formula is did plus subject. Which subject? Any subject. Then first form of the verb. Then again object, and at the end of the sentence you will put the question mark. Like there are some example, and in these example you can see that how we are using our helping verb did, then subject, and then the first form of the verb, and object is there. Okay, and end of the sentence we are putting the question mark. And again here, interrogative negative sentence, the formula is did plus subject plus not plus first form of the verb and then object at end of the sentence question mark. Like did she not sleep at night? Here not sleep is the first form. Okay, did he not go is the first form to the market. Did you not attend the meeting? Okay, did helping verb, you not attend is again the first form of the verb. Did they not meet? Okay, did Rachna not feel is the first form of the verb here. Okay, whenever there is a use of did in negative, interrogative and interrogative negative sentences, so we have to write the first form of the verb because we cannot write two form of the past in a same sentence. Okay, let's discuss the usage of past indefinite tense in a different way. What are there? Which action we can express? How we can express? See, we can express action completed in the past, like they met him yesterday. Keep in your mind that we are following the rules, the formula which we need to frame such word and to express our action. But it is just the usage that how and which action we can express here. They met him yesterday. The second form of the verb is there, right? With the subject they. राइट, दे के साथ met. Okay, met is the second form of the verb him yesterday. कल मिला था. Okay, Indira Gandhi died in 1984. Right, died is the second form of the verb here. My brother bought a new car. Bought is the second form. Rana Pratap won the battle. Won is the second form of the verb here. Okay, Columbus discovered America. Vasco da Gama discovered India. Discovered is the second form of the verb here. Now we can express habitual action in the past. प्राचीन हमारी पुरानी कुछ आदतें होती है, हम उसको एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं. बट देर आर सम वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट वर्ड्स विच वी ऑल शुड कीप इन अवर माइंड. दीज आर द एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी. एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी वाले ये शब्द होते हैं लाइक यूजुअली, ऑलवेज, नेवर, सेल्डम, ऑफन, जनरली. ओके, which we use to express our habit. And not only that, हम used to और would को भी use करते हैं अपनी पुरानी आदतों को एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए या पास्ट की हैबिट्स को एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए. लाइक ही ऑलवेज केम ऑन लेट. हमेशा लेट आने की आदत थी. राइट, शी नेवर स्पोक इल. राइट, स्पोक इज देयर. सेकंड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब इज देयर बिकॉज दीज आर द अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंसेस. सो शी सेल्डम, राइट, शायदी, help the poor. Help is the second form again. When I was a child, जब मैं एक छोटा बच्चा था. Okay, was here a child. जब एक छोटा बच्चा था ना, small child था, I usually, अक्सर, played with my brother. अक्सर मैं अपने भाई के साथ खेलता था. Okay, now use of used to. Used is the second form. Okay, he used to smoke. Smoke का आदि था, past की ये habit है. He used to walk in the morning. He would is the second form of will here, right? Often came late. M.K. Gandhi would spin every morning. And we can express our situation, position, existence in the past. Past में अपनी स्थिति को, positions को, existence को, अस्तित्व को express करते हैं, right? Formula देखिए, subject plus was और were रहता है जब भी हम अपनी स्थिति को, पोजीशन को, एग्जिस्टेंस को एक्सप्रेस करते हैं. तो उसमें सब्जेक्ट के बाद was या were का यूज, राइट, विच वर्क लाइक verb here, helping verb here for us. And then there will be the noun, pronoun, adverb, adjective, etc. Like Nehru was a great, right, this is here, statesman था, statements था, great statements था. Okay, farmers were at the point of starvation. Starvation here means भूखे मरने की कगार पर थे. Rita Faria was is here, right? बोला helping verb का काम कर रहा है, वो verb का काम हमारे लिए कर रहा है. So the first Indian girl to be crowned with Miss World title. Crowned with Miss World. Crown is the adjective here. Okay, now we can express position in the past. Past में आपके पास कुछ चीज थी, belongings थी. So how will you express? I had a car. Had is the second form again. ये possessions, had शब्द हमें possessions की earlier, पहले थी. India had a great amount of gold. India के पास बहुत सारा gold था. Right? She had a huge amount of gold or diamond something. And they had beautiful house in the city. Right? बहुत अच्छा, इस शहर में, in the city, शहर में एक beautiful घर था. Now we can express two actions. दो एक्शन को हम एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं जो एक साथ चल रहे हो, simultaneously taking place. Like while they dance, कि जब वो डांस कर रहे थे, we sang song. हम गाना गा रहे थे, हमने गाना गाया था. Okay, we taught her daughter, right? Taught her daughter, उसकी बेटी को भी पढ़ाया, taught किया, right? As well as knitted the sweater. साथ में स्वेटर को भी knit किया. While the girls dance, जब लड़कियां डांस कर रही थी, the boys switched off the music system. Switched, okay, second form here. Girls danced here, second form here. Okay, keep in your mind that we are following the formulas to express our action. We can express two actions where the first action leads instantly to the second action. ये बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग चीज है. यहाँ पे दो एक्शन एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं. एक ऐसा एक्शन जिसके तुरंत जवाब में दूसरा एक्शन हो जाता है. लाइक when he called me a rascal, जब उसने मुझे rascal कहा ना, I hate him, that was an instant action. तुरंत रिएक्शन हो गया. एक्शन का जो रिएक्शन हुआ ना, ये दो एक्शन एक साथ हो जाते हैं. when he called is the second form here. मैं rascal बोला ना, I hate him, मैंने उसको हिट किया था. Okay, when I opened the door, जैसे मैंने डोर ओपन किया, द कैट ran away. Okay, when the show ended, जब शो खत्म हुआ था, जैसे ही शो खत्म हुआ था, the spectators came out. Spectators, दर्शक बाहर आ गए. When the teacher entered in the class, student got stunned. Student हतप्रद रह गए थे. Right? After taken the test लेने के बाद, some students started to give excuse देने शुरू कर दिए थे. In this example, you can see that there is a reaction in action, right? कोई action हुआ है तो उसकी तुरंत बाद जो reaction हुआ, इस तरह की statement भी हम easily express कर सकते हैं past indefinite में. Now, using while and when, right? कब? When two action taking place at the same time, right? जब एक साथ action हो रहे हो, दो चीजें हो रही है, जैसे मैंने पहले भी कहा कि while he slept, जब वो सो रहा था, जब वह सोया था, I played chess, मैंने chess खेला. When I went to bed, जब मैं बेड गया, the light went out, लाइट चली गई. When we lived in Shimla, जब हम शिमला में रहते थे, we generally traveled by bus. Traveled is the second form, lived is the second form here. It means we are following the rules. Okay, while she did is the second form. Her work, जब वो अपना काम कर रही थी, he enjoyed his sleep. उस दौरान उसने अपनी नींद का आनंद लिया. Dear student, till, until, as soon as, before used in the past indefinite indicate that the second work started after first. अगर सेंटेंस में ऐसे कुछ वाक्य आ जाए, till, until, as soon as, before, etc. It means कि पहला एक्शन खत्म होने के बाद ही दूसरा एक्शन स्टार्ट होता है. लाइक I waited for friend, मैं अपने मित्र का इंतजार करता रहा. मीन्स फर्स्ट एक्शन इज हियर, वेटेड फॉर फ्रेंड टिल और अनटिल इट गॉट डार्क, जब तक अंधेरा नहीं हो गया. अंधेरा तो बाद में हुआ. द सेकंड एक्शन स्टार्टेड राइट आफ्टर फिनिशिंग द फर्स्ट. एज सून एज वी फिनिश्ड, की जैसे ही हमने आर लंच, अपना लंच खत्म किया था, सम गेस्ट अराइव, कुछ गेस्ट आ गए. बिफोर आई गॉट न्यूज, इससे पहले कि मुझे न्यूज मिलती, राइट, ही अबडक्टेड माई फ्रेंड. अबडक्ट मतलब अपहरण करना. We can use could, might and would in past indefinite tense, but appear the sense of request in present tense. See, could I use your fan? क्या मैं आपका पेन यूज कर सकता हूँ? Might I see you tomorrow? क्या मैं आपसे कल मिल सकता हूँ? Would you mind closing the window? क्या आप विंडो को बंद करोगे? Right? These are some expressions which show politeness, request in our expressions, right? We can express the advice and suggestions in present time by using had better, had rather, had sooner, would rather, would sooner are in past tense, but sense the present time as it gives suggestion and advice. How? See, he would sooner join a private company. It is better for him to join a private company. You had better consult a good doctor. Means it is better for you to consult a good doctor. I would rather go. It is better for me to go. मेरे लिए अच्छा है कि मैं चला जाऊं. और indirect narration में use of would in indirect narration, right, is a past tense but give impression of future tense का जैसे impression देता हूं. Like she said, I will go home. Right? She said that she would go home. Would go means here will go. We can express conditions with if clause in past tense, give impression of future and present time. Like if I had a map, I would give it to her. If you got 90% marks, you would get prize. If a ghost appear here, we would flee away. Flee मतलब भागना. Okay, the would is the second form, appeared and got, bored again, and you can see the board and had. All these are following the rule. Okay, जो sentences हमने यहाँ पे if के साथ conditional sentences में use किए, and these are such statement and these are such explanation which is impossible to fulfill, right? Now dear student, we can express wishes in past tense but give impression of present and future tense again. How? I wish I were a king. I wish to be a king, right? It gives the impression of present. Kash aisa hota, king hota. Like, I wish I knew him. I wish I knew him. काश मैं उसे जानता. I do not knew him. Okay. I wish I had known her. काश मैं उसे जानता. Which means I did not know him, her, etc. These were something about the usage of past indefinite tense in a different way. That's it, dear student. I hope you understood, and you all will go one more time to understand this tense right away. Thank you and have a great time.